Alright, so now we're getting up into the head and neck. Alright, so coming off of the heart here is the common carotid artery. And then also coming off of the brachiocephalic trunk over here is another common carotid artery. So we have two common carotid arteries heading up to the neck. When you get up here, the common carotid actually splits. So let's look at this other model to see that better. So if you look at this model right here, you can see that the common carotid splits. You can't see it well which one goes where in this, but one of them goes up into the skull, and that's the internal carotid, and this other one actually goes over the surface of the skull, and that's the external carotid artery. You can't see it too great on this particular model. I didn't grab the other one. So it's the external internal carotid artery. Next, going into the skull, the internal carotid runs in here and goes up into the cerebral arterial circle, which is located up right here underneath the brain. So that's a cerebral arterial circle. And that gives blood to the brain. From there, blood begins flowing back out of the brain. So, back to this model. You'll see that on this side there is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and on this side there isn't. Therefore, this side has the internal jugular. It's down underneath the sternocleidomastoid. And on this side is the external jugular, because it doesn't, it's on the outside of the sternocleidomastoid, and it's smaller. And just one more time, looking at this central model, we have the external jugular, which you can see coming down all over the surface of the skull. The internal jugular coming out from the inside of the skull, forming up to form just the regular jugular, going back down towards the heart. And that's it for the head and neck.